Hi there everybody, it's Dr. Steve here with Kinesi, and this is going to be a sciatic nerve gliding exercise. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start with using a chair. So the sciatic nerve is the one that comes out of the back, goes down through the butt and kind of down the leg, and there's the painful condition called sciatica. And that's when the nerve is angry and irritated. It can produce pain, numbness, tingling going down the leg. So if you're just feeling the symptoms start up, this is a great thing that you can do to keep things at bay, give yourself some relief, and hopefully alleviate it before it gets bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a seated position, and you're sitting up tall at the edge of a chair, and the side that's affected is going to go out in front of you with the knee bent, the ankle bent, the heel down, and the toes up. So we're in this position, and then the rhyme for this one is the nose follows toes. So what's going to happen is you're going to step down onto the gas pedal and bring the head and the nose down, and then the foot and the nose and head come up. So we do this back and forth motion for the gliding. And what's happening here is in this position, the sciatic nerve is on tension down at the ankle coming up the back of the leg, but with the head up, it's the spinal cord is on slack. When we tip the head down, we create tension from the spinal cord, but then we point the toes down, and that gives the nerve some slack at the bottom end. So then as we're doing this gliding, it's sometimes referred to as flossing, going up and down. Now, one of the things that happens is as the sciatic nerve gets just above the knee, it branches off, and it has two parts that come down the leg kind of on the inside and the outside. So you can do toes pointed forward. You can also play with ankling the toes in, and that's going to emphasize the nerve, the peroneal nerve, going on the outer part of the leg. And then you can also angle the toes out, and that's going to emphasize the tibial nerve coming down the inner part of the leg. So those are two branches of the sciatic nerve, and you do the same pattern, nose follows toes, up and down, and that's the seated version. You can also do these things in a relative standing position. So you can even just do it with the foot onto the ground, or you can put your foot up onto something. Helpful to have something to hang on to, like a wall or something to keep you balanced. But then you do the same kind of motion. As you elevate the leg, then we put the nerve on a bigger stretch. But you can play with the other variations as well, toes in and toes out. Those are all your sciatic nerve gliding exercises. So have fun with that one, everybody.